My beloved child, yes, I am speaking directly to you. I know the struggles you've been carrying in your heart. I know the nights when you lay awake, wondering if hope has left you, wondering if doors have closed forever. I see the tears you hide, the prayers whispered in silence, the burdens you've carried alone. But today I am here to tell you, a door is opening for you, a door you thought was closed forever. You may have tried and failed, you may have prayed and waited, you may have faced disappointment after disappointment, but I am telling you now, this is the moment I have prepared for you. Do not be afraid, do not doubt. This door, it is not just any opportunity, it is my hand reaching out to you. It is my love breaking through every chain that has held you back. It is my grace saying, I have not forgotten you. I have not abandoned you. Remember, my child, when I walked on this earth, I saw hearts broken, dreams shattered, and lives torn apart. And I came to bring hope where there was despair. I came to open doors where walls had been built. And today, the same power that raised me from the grave is at work in your life. I know you may feel unworthy. You may think, how can this happen to me? How can this blessing come now? But child, my love does not measure worth. My love does not count mistakes. My love simply reaches out and says, come, I have something for you, something better than you imagined. So take a step of faith, even if you cannot see the entire path, even if the light seems dim, step forward, for I am with you. Every step you take, I am right there. Every fear you feel, I carry it with you. Every hope you dare to dream, I am the one who makes it bloom. Do not let the past define you. Do not let your pain limit you. This door, it is a promise that I have written your story with redemption, with healing, with joy. Open your heart and you will see the impossible becomes possible. The closed doors turn into open gates and the life you have longed for begins to unfold. Hear me clearly. Your season of waiting is ending. Your prayers are being answered. The breakthroughs you prayed for in silence, they are coming. The restoration you thought would never happen, it is arriving. I am your refuge, your strength, your ever-present help. I see you, I know you, and I am inviting you now to walk through this door with me. Step in with courage, step in with faith, and let my love flood your life, because this door is your miracle. Believe it, my child, receive it, my child, and remember, I am with you, always, even when you think no one is watching, even when the world has turned away. I am here, opening doors you never thought could open. Trust me, follow me, and watch as your life transforms in ways your heart has only dared to imagine. I am Jesus, and this is your moment. Your door is open. Walk through it and never look back.